Conventional hot water heaters heat and store hot water 24 hours a day. That constant heating and reheating of water is an enormous waste of energy and money. A tankless water heating system is the energy-efficient way to meet all your hot water needs. These compact units can produce and supply endless hot water at a constant temperature. Once a hot water faucet is turned on, cold water enters the tankless system. The system starts operation mode. The burners ignite as the cold water is heated in the heat exchanger. The hot water then flows to the fixtures. When the hot water faucet is shut off, your tankless system goes into standby mode. You save energy by heating water only when you need it. Replace your inefficient conventional water heater with one of our tankless systems today and start enjoying the convenience of endless hot water and greater energy savings. We're the area's specialists in tankless technology. Call today and we'll provide expert answers to all your questions and help you determine which tankless system is perfect for your needs. The future in hot water heating is here today.